My name is Rhenna Solberg. I go to Wheaton High School and I'm a senior, and I'm here in Carderock for the SEAP internship this summer. So I applied to SEAP because it was promoted to me by a magnet director at my school. She's always looking out for opportunities for us during the summer, and I wanted something to do that would be aligned with my career and give you a little bit of an insight into what exactly I want to do. So I thought SEAP would be an interesting thing to do because I like engineering and some sciences as well. And I thought it would be a good exposure to a lot of different careers and potentially good career paths to go into the Department of Defense. So I'm working here in the model shop at Carderock where they make the fiberglass models. I do a lot of hands-on experience of actually making molds and other wood accessories that go with the models. It's a lot of actually making things and working with tools and material to get a solid final product. I really enjoy it because it's a lot of tedious work, it may seem, but your patience is really rewarded. So after high school, I plan on attending a four-year college and probably studying either engineering or physics. I'll probably go into a career somewhere along that line, probably become an engineer of some discipline. It's really helpful actually working in this model shop, although we do more of the physical work rather than the design aspects, which most engineers can work on. It's very helpful to see a whole process of something being made, because now I feel more capable to design something. You have to know how, if it can be made. So I feel more comfortable designing things like that. And also the skills translate, like I mentioned, the patience and more tedious work is rewarding. I think that also applies in a design situation where, yeah, I could just make it with a simpler design, or I could think about it a little bit more and see if I can make it multifunctional, or if there's a better route that is more durable, or whatever other positive characteristic. So throughout this internship, I've definitely learned the kind of more specific career paths I can take. I have not strongly considered DoD previous to this, not because of any aversion, just because I didn't really understand or know the specifics of it. But after speaking with people who actually have pursued a career in this field, I've learned a lot of benefits of it and how really rewarding it can be, and a lot of possible other outreach stuff in the future when I'm in college that could really help me along with paying for things and making sure I can get into a career path that suits me the best. I've also been able to make connections with other people outside of just the model shop where I work that are in line with my personal interests. I have some personal interest in batteries for a club I do, and I was able to speak with people who know a lot more than I do and were able to give me some advice, and that would help me in the upcoming school year. It's also a lot of good community and teamwork, which I really enjoy. Everyone is very kind and supportive, and there are a lot of opportunities to learn more about yourself and your possible future options.